Right. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome at our booth, NewStar AV IT mounts. We are responsible and the manufacturer of all types of AV and IT mounts, accessory branded solutions. Our wide assortment offers a complete 520 products. We cover the AV, IT, education and office markets. Right now I want to show you the Menuboard solution, which is part of the NeoMounts Pro by NewStar AV line. Well, let me take you directly also to the back of the booth, where I can present our patent products. Also NeoMounts Pro with the possibility to rotate the screens once they up in the ceiling. So come and visit us, booth 5U50. My name is Darwin and I want to thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Cheers. Our website is www.newstar.eu. Thank you very much.